Darker skinned people absorb more sunlight than lighter skinned people, and it's your albedo. It's the percentage of incident energy that you absorb relative to what you reflect. Very important calculation for the Earth, because what Earth absorbs drives our climate, whereas what Earth reflects back to space just goes back to space from the sun. And so glaciers reflect light, cloud tops reflect light, oceans reflect light, that sort of thing.
So for climate change to solve it, we just need to get a bunch of white people in one place.
Just reflect the light to reduce the...
Do us a favor, guys. Sunbathe. Everybody just sunbathe right here.
Reflect out the sun.
Okay. All right. I'm sorry. I had to do it, man.
All right.
Don't write.
But it was good. That was fun.
Yeah,
that was a good one. Yeah. I mean, if the Earth is getting hot, you just increase its albedo to increase the reflectance of it. So
right.
Yeah. So instead of Chuck's solution, everyone could just wear white clothing, and that would work even better.
Right. That's more inclusive. I'll give it to you. That's more inclusive.
The DEI, the authorities will tell you that's how you do that on the campus.